God.
Is it on the condom?
It is on the condom!
Come on!
Give me one reason why I shouldn't have my boy here pull your head off.
How about a magic trick? I'm gonna make this pencil disappear.
It's gone.
Some kind of nature, some kind of soul, some kind of mixture, some kind of gold, some kind of majesty, some chemical load. Some kind of metal made up from glue, some kind of plastic I could wrap around you. The needy eat man-mades, they wear phony clothes. They sit with our picture and build big
Well, hey!
What?
I got the 3 Ps! Pizza, Pilsner and Palm!
Some kind of nature, some kind of soul, some kind of mixture, some kind of gold, some kind of majesty, some chemical load.
Well, me I like plastics than digital foils to wrap up the sound and protect the girls from the spiritual poison we expel at night. Like phony clothes, but
What you doing? Come on, hit me. Come on, hit me. Come on, hit me! Hit me!
Tell me, did you sleep with Ray Spate's daughter just to wind him up?
Just because you're an ugly bastard, right, hasn't had a shower for like 20 years, don't take it out on me. Yeah?
I really like mice.
Some kind of nature,
Some kind of nature, some kind of soul.
come forth with it now. Oh Lord, forgive me.
Some kind of mixture, some kind of gold.
It's gonna come and find us. All we are is stars.
Well, depending on the timing, you may be in one spot or several.
Firing it won't work. You need a cool in-swinger. Trust the bias. Let the wood do the work.
Some kind of metal,
Some kind of metal made up from glue. Some kind of plastic I could wrap around you. The needy eat man-mades, they wear phony clothes. They sit with our picture and build big
some kind of nature,
some kind of nature, some kind of soul.
come forth with it now.
And here we go.
A mixture, some kind